Hey lads, TechScanning here. So Samsung has just launched its Ultra model, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and now another tech giant, Xiaomi, is gearing up to launch its highly awaited Xiaomi 15 Ultra. So the brand officials have already confirmed the handset will go official early next month, both for the Chinese and the global markets. But guess what? We don't have to wait. So a real life image as well as a hands-on of the Xiaomi 15 Ultra has already leaked out, showcasing its rear design. So like the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, the 15 Ultra will also feature a big circular camera island. However, the variant shown in these leaks has red ring around the camera island, which is in my opinion giving it an elegant touch. One of the notable changes here that inside the camera island, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra has a different camera sensor arrangement compared to its predecessor, where camera sensors are a bit scattered around. For the rest of the back panel, this black color variant has a textured glass finish. Though these hands-on didn't reveal the front look of the handset, but for reference, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra came with a 6.73 inches quad curved display. Now, talking about the camera sensors, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra's big camera island will feature a top-notch quad camera setup. So there is said to be a 50 megapixel main camera with a huge 1-inch sensor size. However, the most standout point will be its newest 200 megapixel Periscope sensor with macro capability, and it will offer 4.3 times optical zoom. For the other two cameras, those are rumored to be 50 megapixel telephoto with 3 times optical zoom and a 50 megapixel ultra wide. Now, considering Xiaomi flagship series has significantly improved in photography, especially during the recent years, so it will be interesting to see what they will bring to the table against the recently launched Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. For the other specs, the 15 Ultra will feature the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a whopping 6000 mAh of battery, and a 100-watt wire charging speed. While there is also said to be an impressive 50-watt wireless charging speed. Anyway, I will keep you updated on the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.